Alrighty, Terrell, what we're going to do today is we're going to use 10 frames and we're going to count to 10 using them, okay? So first I want you to use these little stackers, and I'm going to give you 2 minutes to stack as many of these as you can, okay? Alrighty, I'm about to start my timer. You ready? Go.
Finish.
Stack as many as you can.
Oh. Where's your timer?
Or build whatever you want.
Where is your timer?
Right there. You gotta go.
Did you just start it?
Mm-hmm.
Stop. No, that's not my dugout. That's my word. What's my dugout? S8. You're gonna write shop underneath the right tag word.
Hey, bossy. Shot.
Here, go ahead and grab as many as you want.
Okay. Okay, what's my dugout? S8. What's my word?
Oh, your thing gone.
What's E say?
Shade.
What's E say? E. E says S.
How high do you think you can get it?
There you go.
Maybe up there.
Without falling? Ooh.
It says, y'all be down paradise.
Okay, back to you, Rock. What's my
Chop.
dugout?
Chop.
That's my word. What's my
chop.
dugout?
C-H chop.
It's getting pretty high up
Right,
there.
top down.
Let's breathe.
What?
Alrighty, you have 30 seconds.
I'll write all of them. Except for shop. Oh, I did.
Hey, you didn't tell me about another one.
Dang, y'all write is so small.
You got a lot of words to write, buddy.
Yeah.
That's why they're writing small, so they can all fit.
Well, I can fit every word in a constant vowel. That's funny.
Which one are we on?
Bro.
Stop is the last one we did.
I already got
10.
You should have 4 words written down.
Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stop doing that.
And stop. Ooh.
I can add one more.
You think? Oh, there it goes. Alrighty.
But I had Hattie up though.
You did have it really high. Are you going to knock it over?
Alright, here's our next
Okay.
word.
Alright. Let's put them all back in. Ready?
That was easy.
Ready? Put them back in. 3, 2, 1. Put them back in.
That was easy.
That's the next word you gotta write down.
Alrighty.
Here's it.
So here's what we're going to do today. And I want you to be able to erase it so you know what we're doing and when we're doing it and when you're almost done, okay? So I'm going to give this to you. First, we're going to do our stacking. So we already did our stacking. And then I'm going to introduce to you our sticky note for today. And then we're going to work with 10 frames. And then I'm going to let you teach me.
What?
Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah, I know you do. And then I'm going to give you a little worksheet to just do just a couple questions. And then we're going to answer some I can statements. And you're going to tell me what you learned today. And when you can go home and tell mom and dad what you learned today, okay? Because all we want to do is for you to learn something every day, right? Thumbs up? Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, okay. So here's this. Here's your eraser. Go ahead and erase it.
W-H, what's my word?
All right, eyes on me in 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. So this is going to be your sticky note. It's eyes on me. That's what it's labeled. So anytime that I tell you to put a check mark, you put a check mark. And that means that you're looking at me and you're doing really, really good. But I also will give you bonus check marks if you answer a really, really hard question, or if you tell me something that is just really, really interesting and is really big in math terms, okay? Alrighty, so here you go. You keep that over here. You want me to keep it over here? Okay, I'll keep it right here. And then just stick this over here on the side, right here. And then when I tell you to do a check mark, you just put your check mark, okay? And the goal is to get as many as you can today, and then you just want to get more each day, okay? Alrighty. So go ahead and erase your sticky note one. Erase it. Erase sticky note in 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. So now we're moving on to 10 frames. So I am going going to put
All right, at the bottom.
these on here, and I'm going to give you a whole stack of them to use, okay?
So it could be about superseding, it could be about Halloween.
So by using this tin frame, how many greens do we have here?
So, but you have to use one of my words that we use.
How many?
here.
Say it out loud.
Four.
One of my
Okay.
words that we use.
So how many more do you think we need to make 10?
You gotta write one sentence.
What? Only one?
Just one.
Here's with her. Hey,
How do you spell?
Oops, do we want to use that green one? We're going to use yellow instead, right?
D?
hold on just a second, sweetie. Pull your chair. We'll worry about it right now.
So we started with 4, right? So how many did you put on here to make a total of 10? Let me know. Count them.
I use green and yellow.
Okay. Here, watch me do it first. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to do it first. So you give me a problem. What number do you want me to start with? 3? Okay. So that's how I'm going to write it. And now I'm going to show you how I do it, okay? So I'm going to put 3 right here. And then I'm going to use my yellow ones. So I have 1, 2, 3.
Timer's still going.
I know, that's it. That's the recording. But we're looking here. Ready? It's eyes on me, right? Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7 right here because I have 7 yellows. Okay? Now, let's do one together. The next one we're going to do is we're going to do 6 plus a missing number equals 10. Right? Go ahead and give yourself a check mark. You're looking at me really nice. Thank you so much. All right, let's do this one together. So what do we think we need to do first?
What says
Cassie, I'm gonna give you
that we've been working on?
letters.
All right, what do we think we need to do first if this is our problem?
S,
Tell me what we're doing.
6 plus equals 10. Wait, 6 blank equals 10.
So tell me how we're going to do this. Remember watching me how I did it?
S, what?
Good. We're going to put how many greens down?
All right, sweetie, I'm gonna give you letters. And
We're going to put 6 of them down, right?
okay. So we're gonna turn this over. See how many we know, okay?
N,
I-N?
Put them on this board. Turn them over.
I-N.
You know what they are, okay?
you know how to spell N.
Use the same color for this number, okay? So now we need to find that missing number to make 10. So how are we going to find that missing number?
For every one that we know, we'll get a skittle. And no one will get a skittle, right?
Good. So what number do I put here?
We can just make up one.
Look at it again. Look at it again.
10.
Nope, we have a total of 10. Look at it again. Ready? So we started with 6, right? So how many do we add?
Nothing further, sweetie, because I don't want to mess up, okay?
4.
4. Good job. So 6 plus 4, right, equals 10.
Keep track of it.
Right? Okay. Let's do another one together, okay? We're going to start with 3. So I'm going to go ahead and put your 3 on here, okay? Because that's what I start with, right? I'm starting with 3 on here, right? I'm starting with 3. So look at me. 3, 2, 1. Look at me. All right, so I'm starting with 3, right? Okay, so I need you to help me find how many more I need to make how many more yellows I need to make 10. All right, let's do that. Do that with me. Ready?
Real quick for you, okay? Come here, back to me.
I'm Cirillo. I'm sorry.
No, we're gonna use this. Let's start over. Okay. Look. Look at me. So I'm gonna start with 3, right? This is what I give you.
Okay, turn one over, sweet, turn a letter over.
See? We start with 3.
You know what letter it is.
And then I want you to use the yellow counters to figure out how many you need to make 10. So you want to fill all of this up with yellows. Fill all the missing ones up with yellows.
I can make it up.
Your name on it. Is he one of these words up here?
That's like one of the real stories, bro.
Carla, did you use one of these words?
That's not B,
Which one?
that's D. That's D, we're gonna try that one
It
again.
has to be one of the words you've done before.
Is that all of
Put
them?
it up there.
Okay.
Right, but it has to be one of these.
So how many yellows do you have?
So you have to use sing or chop, chip,
10.
chill, chop,
No.
shed.
How many yellows?
Gotta use one of those words.
Good. So where am I gonna write the 7 at? On my board?
I just made
Right here. Good. Give yourself another check mark.
One more that you can use words.
All right, we're gonna do one more, okay? And then I'm gonna let you do it on your own. So I really need you to look at me right now, okay? All right.
Is that X, recognize X?
I'm gonna do.
Okay. Okay. Alright.
So we're starting
How you spell that?
with 8 plus another number.
B-I-B-E-D.
Thank you for separating those. Why'd you separate those? Why'd you separate them? You know why you separated them. Yeah, you do, because what? They're 2 different colors, right? That's very smart. Give yourself a check mark for that. That's a really smart thinking job.
V.
Okay,
So the letter
so this is our problem. 8
what's that?
plus blank equals 10.
The first letter.
So I have 8 here. So tell me how many I need to make 10. How many do I need? Good job.
Okay, turn that one over.
Alrighty. So I'm not going to help you this time, okay?
Shop in the Halloween section. That's not
And then if we do really, really good here, I'm going to let you teach me.
the Halloween section.
You want to teach me?
Okay.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yeah, stop being shy. Okay. Huh? We're not done with 10 frame yet.
No.
Yeah, we're not done with that yet. Stay right here with me, okay?
Where's letter Z? What is that?
You gotta put my mom shops in the Halloween section. Just skip a line, rewrite your sentence below it.
Letter H, goes right there.
Carla, did you write your name on that? Okay, put it in the basket. What? What?
Fill them all in.
Alright. Oh, good job. You did that one so fast. Give yourself a check mark, Terrell. You were doing so good today. I'm so, so proud of you.
My mom shops in the Halloween section.
Turn that one, please.
Alrighty, let's do this one.
What letter is that?
The one we're doing. Ready?
Yeah. I'll do this again by myself.
Huh?
I'll do it again by myself.
You were ready to do it by yourself?
I want to do it by myself.
Oh, you want to put all of them on there?
No.
You know what that one is?
No. So what do you want?
I want to. You do the number and I say it by myself.
Okay. That's exactly what I want you to do too, okay?
What's that? Sounds like
Good.
All these are not there?
What?
10.
Okay.
That's
10.
Alright, Cassidy, what letter is this one?
5.
Good. Well, you knew exactly what you're doing because you yelled out it was 10, but you kept holding up a 5, right? You knew. But yes, you're right. It is 5, okay? Let's do about 2 more. Oh my goodness, we said the same number? All right.
want to do three.
You can do 3?
Three more. Because it's fun.
Okay,
Good job. What is B?
let me think of a really tough one for you.
I know that one. But 3.
Oh, this is a really tough one.
No, it's not. Not for me, it's not.
Ooh.
Not for me.
You get this one right, I'm gonna give you a big check mark.
Yes.
Okay, but you gotta really think about this one, okay?
You put it,
Oh, yeah, okay.
the bookshelf.
I got that one.
It's going to be.
There we go.
It's
Your turn.
Uh-oh.
See, B's little fat thing goes this way. This is D. It does
Hold on.
this. What does D sound like?
You done with your turn?
Hold on, start over. Why are you doing that? Okay.
Sounds like, let's go. Hang on, we're gonna be doing
So I'm gonna practice and when. Wait.
I'll go first.
No, I'm.
Hey, I need to catch the bubble real fast.
What is that?
That one? Look, no step real fast.
9. It's 9.
Oh my goodness.
I told you.
Alrighty, put yourself a big, huge check mark on there.
No.
Oh, you want me? There we go.
I told you.
You did. You know, I'm not even gonna put a check mark. I'm gonna put a smiley face. How about that? Yes. There we go. Because that one was super tricky and it was super hard.
I'll do it again.
Huh?
I want to do 10.
Okay.
10 more.
I want to
Give me a
do.
hard one. Give me a hard one.
Give you a really hard one.
Hard.
right. I'm gonna give you the hardest one I can. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give you the hardest one I can, but we really got to think about this one. Okay. This one's really tricky. Okay.
That's 10.
Alright, Rob, read us your,
This is really scary. It'll be like.
So it's this.
10 is.
All right.
Pull it off. No.
so I was at a party, and when I came to the house was
Repeat after me. 1 bun,
haunted, for the haunted house,
6 fish,
my
7 heaven,
It's 10.
girl on the,
Look at it.
You bet. You're watching the.
10. I said
That's all right. We have 10 here.
Oh.
But how many goes in this blank?
bed was what?
9 lines.
So how many yellows do we have?
The bed was what?
0.
0. Good.
I did a good job.
Is that right? What's the name on it?
Alrighty. So I think you did really, really good, okay? So I'm going to give you this worksheet right here.
I get the teacher.
This worksheet has the same thing, but I want you to do it all on your own.
Oh, it's so easy.
Alright, do this worksheet. And I'm going to let you use the 10 frame on your own, okay? Alright, you see
Can you
this?
make the 10 frame?
Huh?
Can you build it?
Well, let's see if you can build the first one. Actually, what we'll do is you can build it for me when you teach me, okay? Alright. Ready? Grab your pencil. No, you're looking at it.
Alright.
I'm teaching you.
I'm gonna put this little Charlie Brown movie on for the rest of the time, okay?
Alright, what's the first time you hear the word bye?
Alright, go ahead and erase this one. Go ahead and erase that.
I'll pass that to you.
Both of them?
Just that one.
Word 9.
Oh, oops, it's okay. I remember it. Okay, ready? What goes in that blank?
What's the first time you hear the word 10?
What's the missing number right here?
You hear
What's the missing number?
Cassie,
Do what we were just doing.
10. Use a T sound.
It's the same thing we were doing, right?
The word 2.
10.
What are you talking about, 10?
The word 2, Cassie.
5.
No. Here. Ready? Alright, let's shake it out. Shake it out. You're all out of it. Just shake it out. Shake it. 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 Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We're back here, okay? You remember what we were just doing? I gave you 4. So we need to find out how many makes 10.
But what's the first time you hear the word back?
Oh, yeah. Okay. So let's start over. Here we go. Don't use green. Don't use green.
Cassie, look at me.
Don't do that.
What's the first time you hear the word foot? What's the first time you hear the word back? Look at me. Back.
Okay. So what goes in that blank?
What's the first time?
Tell me what goes in the blank. Look at this. You know how to do it.
The whole way?
Okay, Slim Jim over here. What's the first sound you hear in the word hen?
Good job. All right, do one more on that worksheet, okay? And then we'll finish our worksheet tomorrow.
Only one more?
Just do one more on the worksheet. Yeah. Well, don't you want to teach me? I know you want to do all of them. We'll finish them tomorrow.
Oh.
We're going to finish that as a review.
House, you hear that
Here you go.
sound.
Oh, thank you. All right.
Say two words.
All right.
Then I'm gonna say it together. Once you repeat it, just like I say it, and my hands.
Okay, put them over there. Keep them over there.
You get it then, class.
All right.
okay? It's just sitting right here, it's taking a nap. All right, put your hands like this.
2.
We're gonna go.
Yep.
together.
So write it down.
I
Good
think
job.
great.
Okay. Keep going. Thank you. Okay.
All righty.
Then follow it.
Now,
And go.
what's the time?
Shift.
I
Erase
can
this.
see 2.
Yep. Here, erase this.
Then go.
Well, you have an eraser right there.
All right, we're gonna do week. We're gonna go. We.
You can erase it all. Erase it all. So you just have one more after that. And you use that board to teach me, okay?
Day. Weekend.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna do this.
Get this out of the way.
I want the marker.
Watch me, Cassie.
Okay.
Sail, boat, sail.
What do I do?
All right.
Oh, I
Think of a problem or give me something on the 10 frame.
I'm gonna write a problem. And then close your eyes.
Okay, I'll close my eyes.
You too.
Here, we gotta hurry.
Okay.
Ready? Write your problem down.
You gotta put your fist like this and break them apart. Break them apart.
Zero.
Hey, I can't hear the movie, my friend.
Alright. Teapot, teapot.
Between 9 to 9 and 9
Put your hands together. Put your hands together.
Okay.
Together. Go.
All right.
Teapot. Okay.
So tell me what you want me to do.
Go like this, Cassie. What? Do exactly what Miss Tucker does. Teapot, pot, and then go pot. Good. All right, now, Cassie, watch this. Playhouse, playhouse. And put your fingers when you say playhouse together. Put it together, okay? All right. Good. Okay, watch this.
So why'd you give me this?
That.
Leave your hand.
Huh?
Toothbrush.
You. No, erase that.
Okay, let's erase it. Okay.
Bluebird.
No, we have to do exactly what I was doing with you. Something to equal 10. Just give me, put a couple numbers on, or put some of the manipulative, or the counters on this. Put a couple greens on there, or a couple yellows, yeah.
Good.
And then you want me to find the missing number, right? Okay. Is that good? Okay. Solve it now.
Missing number is.
Alrighty.
Now, I want you to listen.
So we're looking at this right here.
Oh, what it?
No, it's okay. You're good.
Last sound is
Okay.
tell me what last sound is.
So let me see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Last sound is like.
Well, that's what that is, right? So let me see. How many do I need to make
Last sound is the
10?
word them, Cassidy. Them. Last sound is the word them.
No.
I think. Nope. Let me do it. Let me do it, and let's see if I get it right. And you tell me if I'm right or wrong.
Okay.
So I'm starting with 5, so I needed to see what 5 plus blank equals 10. Okay, let me think.
Okay. Boat. What's the last sound of the word boat?
Alrighty. So I think it's.
What's the last sound of boat?
You looking here? We looking here?
The last sound of the word ten.
Alright, I think it's 3. Well, look at it. Am I right?
What's the last sound of the word ten? No. The last sound of the word
No?
loud.
What'd I do wrong?
Leave that alone, babe. Leave it alone. The last sound of the word loud. What's the last sound of the word loud? Good. The last sound of the word five.
Yeah, Mom.
What's the last sound you hear in the word
Okay.
Okay. What's the last sound you hear in the word
What I do, you do.
Oh, what you do, I do?
Good.
Okay, okay.
The
Yellows.
Alright. So I put yellows down too?
Yeah.
Okay? Sweetie, pay attention to me. Only me.
There, it's 3.
Let's sound the word 6.
Good job.
Did I fill it up?
No.
Let's sound the
Nope.
word 9.
Nope. Let me see that marker. Let me see that marker. Alright. So, what did I do wrong? Tell me what I did wrong.
You're supposed to add 2 of these to fill it up.
Okay, because that,
Because you just put 3.
you're right, I didn't fill it up. So, was I like adding to 10 then?
No.
No. Okay. So, let's see. What number do you want to put down there? How many do you want to put down? You tell me and I'll write it.
10.
Put your hands together.
No, we don't want to start with 10. What do you think, 7?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the problem I'm trying to solve, right? So you're my teacher, right?
Yes.
So how many are you going to put down for me? You're going to put 7 down? Okay. Put 7 for me.
Together. Say goldfish. Now, baby, wait. Put your hands together and say goldfish. Don't leave your hands. Say goldfish. Fish.
Good.
Now break them apart.
There we go.
Good.
Alrighty.
Put your hands together. Put your fists together.
Hmm.
Put your fists together. I want you to say sometime.
I think the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What?
Why not?
You gotta count these 2.
I still think it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is it not 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You gotta go down the row.
I have to go down the row. So if I had this one here. So so Mr. Trout, am I trying to find the missing one? Okay. Well, how do I find the missing one? How do I find the missing one?
You have all of them?
Is it the green ones or the yellow ones that's the missing one? It is the green. So I have 1, 2, 3. Right? Good. Well, I think you taught me a lot today. Don't you? Okay. So now, I want you to be able to tell me what you learned. I'm going to write it on this board, all the things you learned. Tell me some stuff you learned. Come here. I can't hear you.
I learned about teaching.
You learned about teaching? Alrighty.
Alright, handmade.
Can you tell me the definition of adding? What is adding?
Adding is when you add in a number.
Adding a number, so are we putting it together or taking it apart?
Adding. Putting it together.
Putting it
Taking it apart.
adding?
Okay, let's do that.
You're adding.
We're putting it together, right?
Put your hands
So tell me what adding is again.
baby.
Adding is when you put a number together.
Good. Alright, let's do
Good. So you know the definition of that. What about plus? What does plus mean?
Plus means when you go over and come down. It looks like a T.
Oh, it looks like a T. So what does that mean?
It's a plus,
upstairs.
So is it addition or subtraction?
subtract, addition.
Good.
And get your hands together like this. Put your fists together. Put your fists together.
Alrighty. Now, can you solve a missing equation?
Yeah.
You can?
Sweetie, I'll get it later.
Good. So let me try it one more time with you, just to make sure, right? Because you said you can solve it, so I'm gonna give you one, okay?
Put your chair in, baby.
Alrighty.
Put your chair all the way in. So you're scooted up. Scoot your chair, baby.
All right. So solve this for me. Can you solve that for me?
Okay. Get in your chair. Okay, Cassie, watch me. I want you to do this just like I do it. You watching? Wildcat.
Good.
Wildcat. Okay, do it. Okay? But take them apart one at a time. Don't go like this, okay? Look at, watch me. Watch me. Don't want you to do it again. You can say,
I'll put the greens out for you,
put your
okay?
fists together. And then you go wild. Wait a second.
All right, so what's the missing
One at a
one?
time. Wild cat. Very good.
What's the
All right,
missing
let's do
one?
bookmark. Bookmark. Wait a second. Say it together. Bookmark.
Look again.
Bookmark. Okay, now
You know what
Casey,
you're
I want
doing.
you to take a word and add it
3.
in. The
Good
word is
job.
door.
So you
You're
can
gonna
solve
add
equations,
knob.
can't
What's
you?
your new word?
That's
Very
good.
Bed,
So,
you're gonna add
when you go
room.
home
What's your
today
new word?
and mom and dad ask
Up,
you,
you're gonna
Terrell,
add
what did you learn
stairs.
today?
What's your
What are
new
you going to
word?
tell them?
Class, you're gonna add make. What's your new word?
You learned addition? Good. What else you
You're
can
gonna
tell them?
add print. What's your new word? Good. Post,
Mhm.
you're gonna add card. What's your new word? Post, and you're gonna add card. What's your new word?
Learned about solving missing equations, didn't you? I mean, that's what we did the whole time, right?
And you're add card.
Good.
What's your new word?
Alrighty, Terrell. Well, since you did such a good job, I'm going to give you another check mark. So go ahead.
Space,
Go ahead and
and you're
get,
gonna add
grab.
shift.
No,
What's your new
stop
word?
that. Okay, thank you. Go ahead and give yourself another check
Out,
mark.
and you're gonna add side. What's your new word? Okay.
I know, use this pen right now.
Sit down. Do not get up. Sit down.
Good. Oh my goodness, it's almost all filled up. You only have one more for the rest of the day. I'm going to have to make you another one, aren't I?
Hang in there.
Yeah,
You're
okay.
welcome, darling. Okay.